This is a Civil Defense message for Tuesday, June 26th at 6 in the morning. Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reports that Fissure 8 continues to erupt with a full lava channel flowing to the ocean at Kapoho. Gas emissions from the Fissure eruption and at the ocean entry Lays plumes continue to be very high. Currently, there is no immediate threat, but persons near the active flow should be prepared and heed warnings from Civil Defense. To report your home or property damaged or destroyed, please call the Hawaii Real Property Tax Office at 961-8201. To report your home or property inaccessible due to lava isolation or mandatory evacuation, please call Civil Defense at 935-0031. A community meeting at the Pahoa High School cafeteria will be held today at 5 p.m. We are on watch 24 hours a day for your safety. Thank you for listening. This is your Hawaii County Civil Defense.